Hello student, today I am going to teach you how to draw a design. Whenever you start a design, always draw a thumbnail. A smaller size thumbnail should hardly take 5 to 10 minutes. Just draw it quickly. Now I am starting the final design. First I am going to draw a circle and a hexagon. The method is very easy. Then draw these straight lines and draw the circles, triangles, curved lines, and finally small fish. Forms can be varied. You can draw different forms of fish. Just rub out the unnecessary circle. I am going to use these colors. First I have started with the cool color, which is blue. I have taken white color and in which I have added little bit of cobalt blue. Just color it in 2 to 3 different parts of the design. Please let me know in the comment section which type of videos you want to watch. I will try to make that kind of videos. This design is for elementary drawing exam, which is conducted by Government of Maharashtra. Now I have made a light blue by adding just little bit of white to that same lighter shade. Now I am starting with the lighter green. Poster green, in which I have added white. Just fill 2-3 parts of the designs. I am going to color the background with the help of cool colors, which are green, blue, and I am going to color the fish with the help of warm colors, which are orange, red, yellow. Just observe, there are patches coming. Don't be afraid, just fill it properly, and after that just overlap the patches with the help of damp brush. Now I have started warm colors. I have added white and red to make a pink shade. Please let me know in the comment section which type of videos you want to watch, and if you like this video, subscribe my channel and share it to your friends. yellow plus white. If your patch is small, try to use smaller brush, which is 2 number brush. Now I am using 2 number brush. Initially I was using 6 number brush, 6 or 7. Thank you for watching this video.